Hi, I'm Dustin Pagdalin with Mazda North American Operations, and I'm here to show you the all-new CX-30. This is the design in a mature version of our code of design language. It's the next evolution, it's the next model in that. So let's take a look at it. The design of it has a coupe kind of feel to it while having the proportions of an SUV. This gives you the capability to take this about anywhere. It has the space to put all your luggage. It has the capacity of to put the people inside that you want, and it'll just overall create a great ride. It's a class-leading standard 186 horsepower. It has Off-road Traction Assist, which is a new feature. It is also available in all-wheel drive.
Perfect.
Let's take a look inside and see what kind of features we have. So inside, this is our new interior design language. There's an 8.8-inch screen with available Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also available heated seats and a full suite of i-Activ safety features. So this car, like I said, it's brand new. It's all new. It will be available next month with a starting MSRP of $21,900.